Well, are you still wasting hours every day doing all the things manually, like writing emails, managing projects, or searching through pages of Google results? Well, AI isn't just about the chat GPT. There are now new tools that can save your hours daily, automate your workflow, and yes, even open up real earning opportunities for freelancers and creators, and as well as the students who are seeking for a side income too. Well, in this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that I personally used to simplify my work, save time, and streamline everyday tasks. Whether you are a student or a content creator or an entrepreneur, these tools can change how you work. And if you stay till the end, I'll also show you how any one of them can help you to start a side hustle with exactly the zero experience. And this is gonna be the most useful video for you to make your workflow even more easier. And I hope that this will help you a lot. So let's start with this video. The very first tool which we are going to discuss now is Notion AI. It's not just a note taking tool anymore. Like, it's now your personal writing assistant, brainstorming partner, and a productivity booster too. You can generate blog posts, email content outlines, or even meeting summaries directly inside your workspace. Like, literally no switching between ChatGPT, Google Docs, or any separate AI tool. Just highlight any text or hit spacebar, and Notion AI will write and rewrite, summarize, or even brainstorm for you. Whether you're a student organizing notes, or a creator scripting videos, or just planning your week, this is a time saver tool. You'll actually use it every day. And it's like having AI built right inside your second brain. Well, many of you will ask that what is the difference between the chat GPT and this Notion, right? Well, the difference is simple. Notion AI is built inside your workspace. So while you are planning content, writing tasks, or managing notes, you can generate or summarize text instantly without ever switching apps. It's like chat GPT but optimized for real daily productivity. ChatGPT is great for research and deep responses, but when I'm inside the Notion, planning, writing, or organizing, I use Notion AI because it's just faster and it's built in. Now, let's talk about the money making angle. Here is the smart part. If you're a freelancer or you're planning to do freelancing, you can use Notion AI faster to write and deliver projects sooner and take on more clients. Whether it is blog writing, YouTube scripts, or content outlines, this AI speed up your workflow so that you can earn more without working more. And yes, this is a mind-blowing AI tool for huge productivity as well as the passive income. The next tool which we are going to discuss is Perplexity AI. Think of it like a Google on steroid, but cleaner, smarter, and 10x faster. Instead of opening 10 tabs and reading outdated blogs, Perplexity gives you real time answers, summarized instantly and backed by verified sources, all in just one place. Just type your question and it searches the internet, pulls the fact, and shows where it found them and gives you a clean, simple summary. No fluff, no ads. It's perfect if you are a student doing a research, or a content creator looking for quick ideas, or someone who is tired of asking ChatGPT things it can't verify. You can even click on the sources to explore deeper. It's like having ChatGPT with Google's brain and Wikipedia's memory. Once you use this, you won't go back to the searching the old way. Now, the main difference between the ChatGPT and Perplexity AI is that this gives real-time web access. Like, yes, even if you are asking it something, it will give live internet results, whereas ChatGPT doesn't browse unless you plug in, and it shows sources directly, whereas ChatGPT has no clickable links. Okay, and it also instantly summarizes and answers in one paragraph, but whereas ChatGPT might hallucinate. So yes, Perplexity AI is more way better than ChatGPT, and it's always perfect for the verified information. If you are doing it for academic or research use, it's more better than ChatGPT, so you shall give it a try. And now let's talk about a money making angle. Here is how some people are using this very smartly. If you are creating YouTube videos, writing blog posts, or offering freelancing researches, Perplexity AI saves hours of the work. Faster research means faster delivery. which means you can take on more projects, finish scripts quicker, and charge for faster turnarounds. So, give a shot for this. Now, the next tool which we are going to talk about is Murf AI. This tool instantly creates studio quality voiceovers using AI without you ever recording a single word. All you have to do is type your script, pick a voice, and Morph generates a natural sounding narration in seconds. It's perfect for YouTube creators, Instagram Reels, product explainers, or even startups who want voiceovers for ad. And here's what makes Morph's AI stand out unlike 11 Labs, which focuses mainly on cloning real voices. Morph gives you a full voice library across different tones, accents, and languages ready to go. That means you don't need a mic, studio, or even your own voice, it handles everything. And if you're freelancing, you can use Murf to deliver high quality voiceovers for the client in just minutes and charge for each project. Well, if you want custom voices, 11 Labs is solid. But for ready to use clean narration without any setup, Morph is a best go to tool. People are using Morph to create YouTube voiceovers, product videos, and even freelancing gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. With fast delivery and studio clarity, you can earn without ever recording your voice and just type and deliver. You will get paid. Last but not the least, this is the ClickUp AI. This isn't just a project management tool, it's like having a full time assistant built into your workspace. ClickUp AI helps you to automate tasks, summarize long documents, and even generate project briefs, emails, SOPs, and more, all just with a few clicks. It's perfect for the students managing assignments, entrepreneurs planning launches, or teams trying to stay organized without wasting time on writing or rewriting. The real power, you can take messy notes or vague task descriptions and ClickUp AI turns them into fully written reports, task lists, or action plans. Like it understands your workflow and adapts it evenly. Whether you're writing content, planning a campaign, or reviving updates, this is the best tool. Now imagine offering AI assisted content creation or project planning as a freelance service. You can deliver proposals, documents even more faster than ever and take on more clients while ClickUp handles the heavy lifting. ClickUp AI isn't just for organizing your day, it's for scaling your entire workflow. So here you have it, 5 AI tools that can literally save your hours every day. And if you use it smartly, they can even help you to earn while you work less. From writing content, doing research, generating voiceovers, building websites to organizing your workflow. These tools are designed to do heavy lifting so that you can focus on the bigger picture. If you found even one tool helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe and tell me in the comments which one you're gonna try first. And trust me, this is just the beginning. I have got even crazier AI tools and hidden gems coming on your way in the next videos. Well, see you in the next one.